Traveling has become quite common nowadays. Some of them travel for work and others for leisure. Our biggest tension when we travel is about food. Where do we eat? What do we eat? Is it safe to eat outside? I am going to give you a solution for this problem on today's episode. Electric kettle is quite handy whenever you travel. With the use of electric kettle, y'all can do a lot of stuff. Y'all can make noodles on the go. Y'all can even boil eggs. Y'all can make yourselves a bowl of rice. If y'all want, y'all can make sweet rice or kheer. And there are a lot of other things that y'all can do. Make a cup of tea, boil milk, and make potato, mashed potato. Y'all can fry potato if y'all have the metal electric kettle. Y'all can make pasta. Y'all can make other different items like soup and various things. So whenever you travel, y'all do not need a lot of dishes with y'all. Just take an electric kettle along and it will come in multiple uses, not only for making water hot but also for cooking. Do let me know how did y'all like this hack. Share it with your friends who keep traveling quite often, and do not forget, for more interesting hacks, please do subscribe to my channel How Hacks. See you next time.